Can unfair treatment of women become a legal issue in India? Yes, it can. Unfair treatment of women can become a legal issue when it violates constitutional equality, legal dignity, statutory rights, or lawful protection guaranteed under Indian law. Not every unpleasant act becomes a legal case, but unfair treatment can clearly become a legal matter when it crosses into discrimination, harassment, violence, denial of rights, unlawful restriction, or unequal treatment by authorities or institutions. At the constitutional level, Article 14 guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. Article 15 says the state shall not discriminate on grounds only of sex. This means unfair treatment of women is not just a social concern. In many situations, it can raise a constitutional concern if the treatment places women in an inferior legal position simply because they are women. This becomes especially important when unfair treatment comes from the state, public authorities, police, educational institutions, employers, or any system that is expected to act lawfully and fairly. If a woman is denied equal access, treated unequally, ignored unfairly, or pushed aside because of her sex, that can become a legal issue. The law does not expect women to silently accept unfairness where legal rights are involved. Unfair treatment can also become a legal issue in private settings, depending on the facts. For example, if the unfair treatment involves domestic violence, sexual harassment, workplace misconduct, stalking, intimidation, denial of lawful benefits, or unlawful discrimination, then specific legal remedies may arise. In such cases, the issue is no longer just moral or personal, it becomes legally actionable. It is also important to understand that unfair treatment is not limited to physical harm. Sometimes, the issue may involve denial of dignity, denial of opportunity, denial of access, or unequal response by institutions. If a woman's complaint is not taken seriously, if her legal rights are treated as less important, or if authorities act with clear bias, that may also become a legal issue because equality in law includes fairness in response. At the same time, every unfair situation does not automatically become a successful legal case. The facts matter, the context matters, the source of the unfair treatment matters, the available evidence matters. But the basic principle is clear. Unfair treatment of women is not something the law automatically treats as private, normal, or legally irrelevant. That is why constitutional equality matters so much. It tells us that women are not second-class citizens in the eyes of the law. If unfair treatment affects their rights, safety, dignity, liberty, workplace conditions, public access, or equal standing, the matter can move from social unfairness into legal unfairness. So in simple words, yes, unfair treatment of women can become a legal issue when it violates equality, dignity, safety, access, or lawful rights protected by the Constitution or by ordinary law. The law may not correct every unfair human act, but it does step in when unfairness becomes a violation of rights. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.